Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Sugarmade. Haven't talked about them in a while. Another one I kind of kicked to the curb and forgot about, and it doesn't really matter because it hasn't really done a whole lot. So it had this nice run up here along with all the other MJ plays on February 10th and February 11th, and actually was a penny then. Started slipping down, didn't hold the penny for too long, and it hasn't been a penny since. So this one hasn't done much in the last year. You can see the volume pumping in there. Still wasn't even a penny, and as you can see, it just continues to go downhill. So, and downhill, up and down, pretty much flat, but still downhill, and we'll see what it does today. So there's volume spiking in there from time to time, so it still doesn't do much for the stock. But this is Sugarmade. I'll go into what they do a little bit here. Actually, we can switch these around. So here's kind of the stock forecast, price, and news. So not much there, but this kind of tells a little bit more about Sugarmade. Is a product and branding marketing company which invests in operations and technologies and disruptive potential. It also produces and supplies custom printed and generic supplies servicing quick service restaurants. I don't think that's been updated. The firm operates through paper and paper-based products, cups, and so on. So it's also a delivery service for MJ. That's why I got into it. See if there's anything updated in here. I think I already have this article open. Sugarmade provides corporate update as Nug Avenue. I've talked about Nug on the channel here in the past. I'll go ahead and link those videos in the description. That way you can get a little bit more in depth and see what this one's all about. SIG's accelerating growth ahead of further expansion. This is dated on the 8th. Couldn't really find any more information on this one other than being a week old, but an emerging leader in the vertically integrated California MJ market space is pleased to provide this update to its shareholders as the company moves forward towards growth initiatives while continuing to expand organically within the framework of the primary operating vision. The company currently operates one Nug Avenue hub located in Los Angeles metropolitan area. This initial location has grown dramatically since its inception in March 8, 2021. By the end of June 2021, it had more than 10,000 unique members. That pace of growth has accelerated over recent months, and the company now has nearly 25,000 unique members. Still the stock price keeps going down, so they've doubled. It's an interesting concept. I can see how it's going to improve in the future, but the stock price hasn't done diddly. So the CEO stated, we have seen rapidly and accelerating organic growth in customers at our Nug Avenue location since we opened the doors in March. The good news is that the trend survived reopening with a reduction in pandemic-related measures and regulations having no impact on our growth. So I guess that's good. That provides a very healthy backdrop as we look ahead to opening new locations. So maybe that will help. We will only wait and see. Only time will tell. So management is currently in the process of evaluating additional properties for further expansion, including outside of the Los Angeles marketplace. Goes over some new technology. First month of adoption, Nug Avenue average delivery time reduced to 41.51 minutes, and customer satisfaction rose to 4.83 out of 5 stars on average. So maybe I just need some more time with this one. I honestly don't know. I like the company. I like what they do. I can see the potential. I can see it being a huge thing. So our brand portfolio includes carryoutsupplies.com, Sugar Rush, Nug Avenue, Lemon Glow, and Bud Cars. And I've talked about Bud Cars here on the channel in the past. I'll go ahead and link all those videos. Here's their actual website. What's now for customers is what's next for us. Combine power of empathy, analytics, and creativity. That's their philosophy. A different approach. Rethinking metrics, roadmaps, enriching customer experiences. That's what you got to do. All these things are what you have to do when you have a business. Launch new offers and mobilizing talent. We don't just analyze the disruptive forces in the marketplace. We collaborate with real people in real time. Highest Valley Farm, wholly owned subsidiary. So if you've used Sugarmade, go ahead and list that in the comments. That'd be interesting to know. Like I said, I've talked about this Nug Avenue, majority control and operate subsidiary, 70% ownership. That sounds kind of good. Mango. Anything mango. So here's kind of a little bit more of what they do. Easy, convenient online and mobile ordering, in-house testing and verified potency and quality, experienced management team, exclusive products, rapid growth and expansion, in-house tech team developing next generation MJ delivery experience. So that's what got me into it. And here's the Bud Cars. 260 products, 40 premium award-winning brands. The more you buy, the more you save. That part I like. Anything on anything you buy, and buy in bulk, wholesale, that's what it's all about. But that's their website. MJ News breaks Sugarmade release corporate update. Notes Nug Avenue growth. This is dated on the 8th. So we already kind of went over some of their growth from 10,000 to 25,000. You'd think that would do something for the stock price. So just kind of some of the same information. There's a little bit more about Sugarmade. Product and branding company investing in operations and technologies with disruptive potential. Company's portfolio includes Carryout Supplies, Sugar Rush, Nug Avenue, Lemon Glow, and Bud Cars. For more information about the company, please visit. So like I said, if you visited any or used their website or used their products, that would be interesting to know. You can go ahead and leave that in the comments. All comments are welcome. Over here on Reddit, and this is a good point, with Amazon and Uber potentially getting into the mix of delivery. I know it isn't a farm-to-door vertically integrated company. Where do you see Sugarmade in the future if they can't get the momentum they need now? That's just it about Amazon. They're just getting into everything, and which is a good thing because I have Amazon stock, but on the other hand, it's kind of annoying because you have companies like Sugarmade doing what they're doing, and then Amazon could just totally come and wipe them out with just a backhand or buy them out. So adding weekly until 40 million shares to the moon. Dang. Yeah, I'd have to do the math on that one, see what that would figure out to be. That's a lot. Just think if it went up, you'd have it made. So currently at 0, 52-week low of 0, and a 52-week high of 2 cents. Woohoo! I couldn't help myself, loaded up another $300 worth. I'll keep adding to. So it has dropped. It almost is tempting to buy some more. I have, I don't know, 5,000 shares or whatever I bought, and I just haven't touched it since. I was hoping it would go up, but I think I'm in the red on this one for sure. And nothing here on tip ranks. But that's all that I have on Sugarmade. If you have Sugarmade, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you want to share. And if there's any other MJ plays or any other stocks out there that you want to share, go ahead and list that in the comments as well. Again, I thank you for watching. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.